Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Reviews.
And Amy from Rockstar Reviews.
This is your Rockstar Review. We're looking at meal and nutrition prep. Now you're a meal prepper, right?
Yes, love to cook.
So what do we have here? This comes to us from Peter Thorpe, and it's from his new book. What's the name of the book?
The 1 hour workout.
Thank you.
How I went from wimp to ripped.
Wimp to ripped. And you can check out his Instagram page. We'll put all the information in the description below. But he has a bunch of cool meals and ways to prep them, and really inspirations. Very well, like I read through the book.
Yeah.
Very well written.
Yes, it simplifies everything. If you are new to nutrition or new to working out, he is going to break it down from somebody who's relatively new to this. Sometimes, you know, if you're trying to develop healthy habits and you go to somebody who's been doing it forever, they can just be over your head, and it is overwhelming. This is somebody that's coming from somebody that's only been doing it a year, and they're like, this is what worked for me, and he's a really, really smart guy. Yeah. So he's gonna break it down for you and make it so simple. I bet he's just a great teacher. Yeah. So
that's the thing. He went and probably cut 20-30% of body fat, like really did lean down.
It's so impressive. You guys gotta go check him out.
And it's just from getting out of the office, not being behind a desk 12 hours a day, actually getting some fitness into your day, but then eating right, because your body's like a furnace, right? And what you put in the furnace, you burn off, and this, whatever you have is the results. Now, I've said before, I've subscribed to Freshly and Nutrition Solutions, both great services, but they get a little pricey. You're talking $10 to $15 per meal. You do that 4 times a day. Whew, that gets expensive. You're talking anywhere to $40 to $60 a day in meal prep. What was the cut price that we did when we went to the grocery store today?
We spent about $50 today. I think if we had really been trying, we could probably get that down to $35, maybe $30. And this is going to be meals for 4 to 6 days, depending on how many you eat. So that is incredible.
Yeah. And the nice thing about it is in one meal prep, you're mixing it up between beef and chicken, and we get a lot of different variety in there with sometimes, and this is something that, Nutrition Solutions is a great company. I use them. I don't mean to talk badly about any meal prep service, but for me, they give you what they give you. You don't get to customize it. You don't get to pick your meals. You don't decide which ones you're prepping. And for me, there was just a lot of curry-based veggie meals that I didn't like. So even though I was getting kind of in shape, I was getting cut, I hated meals. With this, these are delicious. You can kind of pick and choose what you want to do. It's amazing.
Season them how you want. We're going to show all of that. And it's super fast. Peter told us that it would take no more than 2.5 hours, but I'm going to accept his challenge. Maybe I don't think it's a challenge, but I think we can get it done a lot faster than that and prove to you that not only is it completely affordable to eat healthy, you have enough time to do it, and you can do it for yourself. And if you meal prep and you do everything in advance, it's completely time efficient.
Right. So you Rockstar shoppers, are you ready? We talked enough. Let's kick it off. Let's get in the kitchen. Let's show Amy chopping up some onions, chopping up some broccoli, some chicken, some beef.
My chopping hands.
Let's kick it off right about now. So first off, here are all of our ingredients. We have a little bit of lean beef. We had to go with, I believe it's 93% lean. We were hoping for 95. We couldn't find that in the store. Got some chicken, a couple different types of oil, some cumin, some garlic, a couple heads of broccoli, and some onions and spaghetti. So what are we up to now?
All right, we are browning some ground beef. We're actually all done. I think all of the meats turn from pink to brown, and you don't want to overcook it.
No, so turn that off.
Turn it off. We just did that on medium-high heat, and we're going to remove this from the heat, set it aside to cool while we finish everything else, and then distribute it in our meal prep boxes.
Awesome. Now what are you up to?
We are chopping onions, and then we're gonna chop some broccoli and pop those in the oven for about half the time that we've got our chicken in. So
wonderful. So explain to me, we're putting both the onions and the broccoli in the oven?
Yep, we're gonna put them in the oven, and they said in their video you can saute them or do them however, but the oven seems really easy since you already have chicken in there. We're gonna just pop onion and broccoli, drizzle some olive oil on it, and put some of our same garlic, cumin, and salt and Italian seasoning in there.
Okay, and I think the real deal is that you don't have to follow this isn't necessarily a tutorial, that if people want to do this, they need to buy the book, and we'll have the link below for all your meal prep. And as Amy continues to show off her cooking skills in the background, I just want to remind you this isn't necessarily a cooking tutorial. Again, I know I just said it, but get the book, read through it, learn all about fitness, and get the recipes and learn to do this for yourself. Again, it's super simple, but this isn't the tutorial. All right, what's next?
We have our chopped broccoli, a little bit of olive oil drizzled on top with our seasonings, and we're gonna pop that in the oven with the onions.
Okay, fantastic. I'm gonna watch you do that.
Got our whole grain spaghetti
Wonderful.
going in a big pot of water, and then we're gonna add some salt to it as well.
Fantastic. That chicken, I've already tasted it, is amazing. So Amy finished up the 2 meal preps, and you can see the beef here on the left as well as the chicken on the right. You have the broccoli, the onions, and the spaghetti noodles. Now, of course, you're going to adjust the portions according to your diet and exactly how, once you split it up between 16 meals, but this gives you a pretty good indication of what this meal will look like, and it's absolutely delicious. So she's gonna try the chicken, I'm gonna try the beef, and we'll come back to you here in a moment with our reviews. That was one of our more fun combined product reviews. All right, and I guess it was fun for me because she did all the cooking, and thank you for that. So I ate mine, I ate the beef.
I had the chicken.
We sampled each other's as well, although you don't do beef.
Yeah,
But, so what did you think?
I loved it. It was super easy. I think we didn't time exactly, but under 40 minutes.
That's not bad. You're a quick cook.
Yeah,
Good job.
we knocked it out really quick.
So I particularly liked the cumin taste on the broccoli.
Yeah, the cumin was a great seasoning for all of that. Works with everything.
The way they recommended it, the broccoli was a little less cooked than what I'm used to, and it was actually had a little more crisp, but I like that a lot.
It felt like it was going to have a lot more fiber, keep you full, and if you're meal prepping and trying to cut some weight, it's a great thing.
Yeah, and then I think my second favorite was your chicken. Her chicken, again, I guess I like cumin, I like just the vegetable oil, or what kind of oil did you use?
Some olive oil.
Olive oil. It just made for a very good tasting little meal, right? The carbohydrates from the noodles will keep me full for a while. And I have plenty of leftovers that she's gonna send me home with some beef, some noodles, and everything.
But here's the thing, we just made 16 meals in 40 minutes for like $40. That's crazy.
That is fantastic. So folks, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave us a comment below. Did you have any other last minute words that you wanted to say?
No, I like, this is a great ebook, and I definitely recommend it. It's awesome.
And again, if you have any questions, leave us a comment below. And click like and subscribe, and the big thing is go into the description.
Yep.
Click the link, get the ebook, and find out for yourself. Get your meals on, get your prep on, get all your health and nutrition information.
Your 1 hour workout.
1 hour workout, brother. Get jacked. You gotta get that jack on. You don't want to get it off. Anyway, folks, I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. This is Amy from Rockstar Reviews. Email me at 911productreviews@gmail.com.
911rockstars@gmail.com.
And thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.
Thanks for shopping with us on Rockstar Reviews, a page dedicated to style, fashion, shopping, and fun.
Like this. $1,000.
Make sure to subscribe for more content, including hauls and reviews. If you're interested in having us review your product, email me directly. There's a link in the description below.